Hi friends, what's up? This is RK Phone 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to use focus filters on iPhone and iPad. iOS 16 has come up with a ton of pretty cool features, including focus filters that allow you to customize how your apps and device behave when a specific focus profile is enabled. Let me show you how to use focus filters on iPhone and iPad to your heart's liking. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, tap on Focus. Then you have to select a specific focus profile that you want to customize. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom. Under Focus Filters section, tap on the plus button to add focus filter. Now you can customize your apps for this specific focus profile. For instance, you can filter your calendars, set selected mail accounts, filter your messages by people list, and even customize Safari. What's more, you also have the option to customize system settings when this focus turns on. For instance, you can disable low power mode, and you can also customize dark mode so that when you turn on your focus profile, dark mode will be enabled or disabled depending on your needs. Now go ahead and customize your apps to your heart's liking and you are good to go. That's pretty much done. So that's how you can use focus filters in iOS 16 or iPadOS 16 or later. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to keep distractions at a fair distance while working or meditating. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.